Welcome or welcome back to We Rockin' Math with Miss Catherine, where math videos are made easy and faster for you. Today, we're going to do some rapid practice problems involving finding the LCM easily using the ladder method. If you haven't done so, you can review the instructional video on how to find the LCM using the ladder method. This method will make it easier and faster for you to find the LCM. Just click the upper right corner for the link to the instructional video. We're going to solve these 4 problems. I'm going to say the word begin in a minute, and when I say the word begin, you can pause the video, work out these 4 problems yourself on a piece of paper and a pencil. Then we will come back and check our answers together. Your goal is to get 3 out of the 4 problems correct. At least 3 out of the 4. Of course, 4 out of 4 would be great. You may begin now. All right, let's get into these 4 problems. We have our 3 steps on the side here in case you need a reminder. We're going to write the numbers 16 and 26. Then draw an L-shaped sign. Find the common factor between 16 and 26, which can be the factor 2. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2 goes into 26 13 times. Now all you have to do is multiply the numbers outside of this ladder, this L. So we're going to multiply 2 times 8 times 13. We'll write the numbers out. 2 times 8 times 13. We can evaluate this. 16, this is the 2 times 8, and copy down the 13. So we get 16 times 13. Now we just have to multiply these 2-digit numbers out. 16 times 13. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus the 1 is 4. 1 times 6 is 6. And you can put a placeholder in the ones place. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we add the digits together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Our final answer is 208. Moving on to number 2. Least common multiple of 30 and 65. Going to write out the numbers. Draw our L-shaped sign, our ladder sign. Find a common factor between 30 and 65, which can be 5. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 65 divided by 5, or 5 goes into 65 13 times. We are finished at this step because the only common factor between 6 and 13 is 1. So now we multiply the numbers outside of this L-shaped sign, outside the ladder. 5 times 6 times 13. 5 times 6 is 30. Then we just multiply 30 by 13. And the fast way to this is imagine if the 0 wasn't there, you would just have 3 times 13. 3 times 13 equals 39. Now you see before we took the 0 away, now we're going to put the 0 back in, add in the 0 at the end, and we have 390. So our final answer is 390. Moving on to number 3. LCM, least common multiple between 140 and 190. Going to write the numbers down. Draw our L-shaped sign. Find the common factor between 140 and 190. You can try the number 5. 5 goes into 140 28 times. 5 goes into 190 38 times. Now we are not finished here, so we're going to keep finding a common factor between these two numbers, between 28 and 38. Another factor in common besides 1 is the factor 2. 2 goes into 28 14 times. 2 goes into 38 19 times. Now we are finally finished. 1 is the only common factor left between 14 and 19. Now multiply the numbers outside the ladder. 5 times 2 times 14 times 19. We can take these numbers and combine them a bit. 5 times 2 is 10, times 14 is 140. 140, and then we're going to copy down the times 19. Whenever we have a 0 at the end, we can take it off. So we can multiply 14 by 19 first. You can put the 0 at the end by itself here. You're going to add it as the very last step there. So 14 times 19. 4 times 9 is 36. Carry the 3. 1 times 9 is 9, plus the 3 equals 12. Put a placeholder in the 1's place. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Going to add. We have 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we're just going to bring down that 0 that we had from earlier. And our final answer is 2,660. And our very last example, finding the LCM between 78 and 152. We want to write the numbers 78, 152. Draw our ladder sign. Find a common factor between 78 and 152. Factor of 2. 2 goes into 78 39 times. 2 goes into 152 76 times. And we are finished because 1 is the only common factor between 39 and 76. Now we're going to multiply the numbers outside of the ladder. We have 2 times 39 times 76. 39 times 2 is 78. Copy down times 76. 78 times 76. 8 times 6 is 48, carry the 4. 7 times 6 is 42, plus the 4 is 46. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 5 gives us 54. I'm going to add them together. We have 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And we have a 5. So our final answer is 5,928. That is our LCM between 78 and 152. So hopefully you were able to get 3 out of the 4 problems correct. If you didn't, it's okay, but it's more important to understand where you made a mistake. So I always suggest reviewing the instructional video on finding the LCM using the ladder method. After reviewing the video, then you can come back to this rapid practice and work out these problems again and see if you can get 3 out of 4 after watching the video. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. Until then, keep rocking at math, and I'll see you next time.